Everybody, it's about 6:30 a.m. and I'm opening up the farmer's market to feed the cats. It's kind of what I do in the morning. Can't see much. I'm walking to the back right now. I'll get a light on here in a minute. Find a light.
There's Skinny Cat. Are you Skinny Cat? And who's that one over there? That's the shy one.
The shy one won't let me pet her.
Your bowl of food here.
That's your water. Hope this video doesn't come out in portrait mode again. Oops, almost lost that. Alright, come on, Skinny Cat. There's a little calico girl.
Hi. Yeah. You won't let me pet you yet, will ya?
Grab some water. Boiled peanuts. So I gotta turn the water off. Those are boiled peanuts.
There you go. There you go, water.
And that's my morning routine inside the farmer's market. I know you can't see much, but there's vegetables everywhere. These are some of the squashes, potatoes. I'll have to do a video during the day so you can see everything. But this is the farmer's market here. All of our refrigerators. Of course, you can't see those. Nope, can't see that either. I'm headed out to my gate that I gotta open up for myself. This is our pasture out here. This is where we're going to be growing all of our vegetables. I gotta get this lock undone. As soon as I get that undone, I'll drive my car back there in the corner if you can see it. Yeah, I got an old phone, so it doesn't take very good videos. Alright, just wanted to show you what I'm doing in the morning.